Hey everybody, so this video is about how to set up a training process for your immigration law firm. So this is a document template. Check the description, get this, or feel free to email Ian or support@immigrationfinder.com if you want access. So pretty much this is a standard checklist we use for training remote hires. There's a few different formats we use of this, but this is one we're going towards. So this top portion is a brief. It just kind of talks about the business, treat everyone with respect. One thing about immigration is it can be very emotionally draining, so we talk about that. So that's kind of the thing. So scrolling down, there's just a few things on there. Bear in mind, we are hiring a lot of people from outside of the United States, so there's sometimes some cultural things they got to get used to. This is a section where we would, the duplicate that we give to the hire, we fill this actually in with, all the information the firm uses or your firm uses, depending who's filling it out. And then these are links and resources, just some things, CBP, that, we have a number of different things down here. Once again, if you have access to the document, feel free to reach out and ask for it, or potentially be in the description. But, if you contact the firm, somehow we'll get it to you. And so that's about that. Things to know about U.S. immigration. That's just kind of that. I know a little bit of it's scattered. Whenever we actually send this, we make sure everything's kind of lined up. So just who could sponsor who, at least in normal situations. So those kinds of things. These are common daily tasks that are going to get taken care of. Then this is really kind of the magic of it right here. It's a day 1 through 6 training program. So right here, you would give this to the person, and they would on their own have to do stuff. So it's self-guided. And then the person really needs to go through and actually do the things on their own. Because what we want to do is create that proactive mindset of I'm going to work, I need to get this done and that, so that way they're not waiting to just be spoon-fed things. So that's a few things about that. Then if you scroll through, the format of it is people will just check it off as they go throughout the day, so on and so forth. So getting that all up and ready. Then once again, you can go in and then change this. So when you get the template, change it to your business. What we do is have people research these certain types of visas. If you do different types, just swap out the names or swap in what do you want them to look for. Or if you're really serious about this, feel free to get a hold of Immigration Finder. You can email Ian@immigrationfinder.com or email support@immigrationfinder.com. I'll help you out. Or go to calendar.immigrationfinder.com to schedule a meeting. And so day 2, this is just kind of this. We have them train on some different things. And bear in mind, the training might be a little different for different roles. This one's more of a paralegal type role. But you can fill it in with whatever you want. But the whole concept of day 1, do this, check everything off. That's it. Then we do have people write down questions that they have, and then they fill in the questions. So let's say, for example, they have 10 things they're wondering in the day. It could be things, how do I transfer a phone call in the phone system? Someone asked me about a case that was called VAWA. What is it? It's someone wanted to make a payment and with a check, and I didn't know who to make the check out to, for example. So things like that. But then this person is then in control of filling this in. So what you do, so take this template, the whole concept's there. You can fill in, what you want to in there. You might want to fill in some different things in the information section based on the type of cases you do and that type of stuff. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Once again, I'm Ian from Immigration Finder, and I will talk to you later. Thank you.